Who does not like Chick-fil-A nuggets? Come on. Look, Chick-fil-A nuggets, they are so popular, so tasty, so good. Oh my goodness. I'm Chef Don McMillan. I'm gonna have to show you my version of Chick-fil-A nuggets that you are actually gonna love. We're gonna show you how to do that. So, you know I've been cooking for a long time, well, like 6 decades really. Learned a whole lot of different tricks and different things about cooking and techniques, which is what it's all about. I'm gonna show you those techniques as we're going along, so check out all our cooking videos, and especially today when we are going to make my version of Chick-fil-A nuggets. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. So now, I have here in this bag, look, I cut up some chicken breasts, little strips, little tiny nuggets, okay? Well, actually bigger than these, but you get the picture, right? I'm gonna add 2 ingredients. I'm gonna marinate them for a half an hour. So I like to use Ziploc bags, and the reason I do is that I can just put it in the refrigerator, and then when I'm done, I can just take it right out and throw them in the trash. I'm finished, but it's so easy. Half a cup of milk, right in there. Half cup of what? Pickle juice. Can you believe it? Pickle juice, yes. Don't throw it away. Pickle juice right in there. Let it marinate. Oh, this is going to be so good. Close the bag and place it in your refrigerator for about a half an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back to show you the rest of how to make these wonderful nuggets. Okay, so now while our chicken is marinating for about a half an hour, so first of all, I've got some milk, and I've got 1 egg. I like to break it on a flat surface rather than the edge. This way I don't get all those shards in there. So 1 egg, and then go ahead and mix this together. So if you ever made your own nuggets at home, put it in the comment file. Let me know. Let's talk about it, okay? I love to share information and recipes. It just works so good, you know? That's what I'm all about. It's a learning curve right here. We're just having fun, and of course the best part is eating it. So look, I mixed up the milk and the eggs. This is going to be one step. Another step, and look, can you believe it? I've got flour and powdered sugar. Powdered sugar, yes. That's that little sweetness. Look, we love things that are fat, that are sweet or salty. Really. Take one out and replace it with more of the other. Trust me, that's how it works. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of each. And then go ahead and mix all that together as well. So what we're going to do with the chicken, we're actually going to place it into our egg and milk, and then we're going to place it into the flour, season it, and then fry it. Yes. All right. Now, our chicken's been marinating for a half an hour, and we're just going to take it. Don't let it marinate too much longer than that, because that acid that's in the vinegar from the pickles, you know, your chicken's already tender. You don't need to make it tender. You just want to add the flavor. Okay? Keep that in mind. You do not need to marinate the chicken for a long period of time. All we're doing is adding flavor to our dish. Okay? So take out the chicken, place it right here into our egg mixture. This is also going to help when you put it into the flour. The flour is going to stick to it, and it's just going to be, oh my goodness, so much flavorful. So we added some flavor here, and then we added flavor into the flour when we put the salt and pepper in there. All right, I didn't leave any more chicken there. Don't want to leave any submerged in there because we want to get every bite. Go ahead and stir it around, let it pick up the flavor from the egg, pick up the flavor from the milk, and then we're going to go ahead and drain it pretty good and then put it into our flour mixture. So you don't want to pour all this batter in there, but you do want some of it on the chicken so that it will pick up all of the wonderful flavor from the sugar, the salt, and the pepper. And now, let's go ahead and just mix it around. All right, we've got a couple more pieces here. Mix them up really good. And then after they've been coated with the flour, we're going to put them back into our mixture again. Put it right back. And what we're doing, we're actually doing a double breading here. Okay? So that's going to really give it a nice coating on the outside and adding double flavor into it as well. All right, let's go ahead and mix that up again. And then we're just going to go ahead and coat our chicken and then fry. Let's go ahead and check our temperature. We're looking at 165. Yep, all right. Our chicken is now done. We're going to do it in another batch. It's so important to use a meat thermometer so that you're not under or overcooking your chicken. If you overcook it, it's actually going to be dry. You may think, oh, I'm cooking it in oil, it's in moisture. It's not. You're actually, this is a dry way of cooking chicken. You got hot oil all the way around it, so you're drying the chicken out. You hear that sparkling? What is happening? The water is coming out of the chicken, and it's just evaporating, and it's drying the chicken out. So you don't want to overcook it. That's why you have a thermometer. You want 165, then it'd be perfect. You don't have to worry about things like salmonella or anything like that. Just be sure you have one of these. So let's go ahead and fry the rest of our chicken now. So we have our mixture here. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good. Yes, so good. And don't forget, we're going to show you how to make all these wonderful sauces to go along with it too. So you're gonna want that. Check out all of our videos because they're so informative and so delicious too. Yes, let's go ahead and put these in there. Come on, join the crowd. Yes, and more. So we've already double bread them. So we've had them once and now twice. Put them in there. And I would suggest, when you're making them at home, just do them in smaller batches. Don't try to cook them all at once. You want your fat to recover as well. So what I mean by recovering, when you put the cold food in there, the temperature goes down. So you want it to just do that. So we're going to let it fry, get happy in there. All right, let's check our temperature. Perfect. All right, we'll get these out. And we'll do the next batch. I'm draining them on a paper toweling. So you want to do that. Any of the excess fat that's on the chicken. All right, Andrew, look, we got them. This is the ones that came out the box. These are the ones we just made. And of course, we made that sauce, so you got to get that recipe as well. But it really doesn't count unless you taste it, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
So, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I know what this tastes like.
All right. Well, then let's taste.
Many times
Let's yeah, more than many times. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Yeah.
Let's check these out.
All right. So let's go. Got one. Take a little sauce.
That's really good.
It is good. And the sauce is good too. Too bad you don't like the sauce.
Yeah. We can taste the sugar, the milk and pickle juice bath, the marinade, but the chicken is very tender, crispy, and juicy.
It is.
I really like it. I'm going for another one.
All right. While doing that, hey, you're gonna want to make this at home, but please hit that bell. You know, we definitely want to hear that bell ring. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe and please share with your friends, with your neighbors, with your family, because they're going to want this recipe too. And we know we love to share good food. That's what hospitality is all about. And also, we got Patreon. We want you to subscribe to our Patreon. And for that, we're going to reward you with exclusive content. You're going to get early access. Yes, You'll get these videos before anybody gets these videos. And we're going to show you behind the scene nonsense.
That's right, and no ads.
And no ads, yes. And no ads. But, and listen, I don't know about you, but I go to Chick-fil-A because it's a family favorite. But right now, we're going to avoid those long lines because we've got it right here.
I'm with you.
Let's just go with it.
Number 3.
Yes.
It's still warm. You guys are going to try this. It's so good. It's so easy to do. You're really going to love it. You
Yeah.
have every single ingredient at home, including the sauce recipe.
That's right.
I'm sure you'll have all those ingredients in your refrigerator.
Ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yes, good. All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you for watching.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next video. And by the way, our next videos are coming up are going to be the crispy, spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A and the regular chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. So check those videos out too.
And we're going to do it just for you and for us too. We're going to
Yeah.
eat that. Yes. Thank you.